guys, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do that. But before I explain this trade that I'm going to take live, this is the part 5 of the $100 to 10,000 challenge. So if you are not part of this challenge, make sure you subscribe to the channel and learn whatever thing that I'm doing live for you. Okay, so let me pick this trade before I explain. So I'll go in 0.05. So right now let's go with 0.10. Okay, now the account has grown enough, so we sell. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, because this is a session, market doesn't move much like that, so there are a lot of fake outs. Okay, so I'm selling Euro USD. Why am I selling this? So if you haven't buy my PDF, okay, the PDF guide that's used to help me a lot, or the PDF that I learned this strategy from, I also want to show it to you guys, so I put the link under the video description. If you want to grab it, you can go and buy it for yourself. Okay, if you really want to learn. If you have any question when reading the PDF too, you can let me know. Okay, remember this is $100 to $10,000 challenge. Okay, so I just pick a sell on Euro USD. Why am I picking sell? So but the PDF guide that I use, or the ebook that I use, we always go with the divergence. So we go to the higher time frame. You can see this is a flat top. This is a flat top. Okay, so as you see, this is a flat top. So let's take these two into consideration. Forget about this week. The week here, just forget about it. It's a fake week and it was a news. Okay, so we have a flat top. Okay, and it's another type of divergence. Having a flat top is another type of divergence. So after we have this flat top, we now have this divergence shoot up. Indicator is pointing down right here. Okay, indicator is pointing down. When you look at the stochastic tool, it's also from a divergence, which is confluence. So what we are doing is just a selling opportunity till we reach this zone. Okay, let's see if market will reach that zone. So why am I selling right now? So we now know the direction. Why am I selling? So when you come to the lower time frame, okay, let's look at 1 hour first. So 1 hour, this is a support level for 1 hour. Okay, this is an in-depth analysis. This is a support level for 1 hour time frame. So when you come to 30 minutes, it seems to break the zone, or the zone is about to break. Okay, but market is hesitating. Why is market hesitating? It's because of this stochastic cross that is happening below here on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so that is when market is hesitating. So we now have a resistance trend. So those who have been watching my channel for long, they know what I call the resistance trend. So this is the resistance trend for me, which is resisting markets from pushing up. Okay, so when market goes up, it's coming to hide still between under this trend line. But when this trend line break, then we are going to come out from the trade. Okay, so quickly, what we are having is the selling opportunity due to this resistance trend. Okay, so we are going to break this zone fully and come to the downside. Okay, we'll be expecting the downside here. Okay, so let's see how this trade will go in our direction, guys. Yo guys, so I've added additional position, which is good one. Market was moving very fast, so I have to place this order before I explain. So this is the good sell. You can see, let's go to lower time frame. You can see this trend that I put here. Okay, good. So this trend has been broken, and quickly I enter this trade. Why did I enter? When you come to the lower time frame, you can see a consolidation around here. There's a consolidation around here, which leads to the breakdown, which I supposed to enter very quickly, and you can see how market moves very quickly from the break. Okay, so I'll be waiting to see how this will go. I'm expecting gold to take over this zone, this support zone here. I'm expecting gold to take over it. You can see the long candle that push into it, the 50-minute candle that push into this. Okay, so when you come to 30 minutes, you can see long push candle which have just closed. Let's go to 1 hour. Long push candle that have just closed. Okay, so you just have to wait patiently to see how this will react. Okay, and this level 2, let me mark it. It seems like support as it stand here. You can see market is testing here, but I'm expecting gold to break to the downside. That is what I'm expecting. It should break to the downside. All right, guys, let's keep patient to see how this trade will go. We are moving into profit. We are still having the euro USD trade to see how it will also go in our direction. Gold is making it for us now. All right, yo guys, so for this part 4, the euro USD is not giving up on us, but gold is in massive profit. As you can see, we round down to this level, and I'm going to close this trade right now. Okay, we have broke up this level that I told you, and this is the reason why I'll be closing this gold trade. Due to the divergence here, market can come and mitigate and then return to the upside, and this will be like more divergence at this angle. Okay, when it form. Okay, so I'll just quickly come out from it and then wait for the euro USD. But for euro USD, let me close. It's even coming down again. Good, so we have 4,400. So with the euro USD, let's check on it. There is a reason I'm keeping this. So this resistance trend has been broken and then is heading to the upside, but I have another resistance trend here which I'm expecting market to stay below it. Okay, this is the actual trend. As you can see, this is the actual trend. So when I go to 4 hour, let me clear this right here. Let me clear this. Good. So this was the first one that has been broken, this one which was broken, and then we are now trending below this particular one, so let's see if market resists on under this pressure, trend pressure. Okay, so let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. But when this break, that means the upside is going to prevail again. So let's wait patiently to see how this trade will go. Guys, so for the euro USD, I have to close this trade because I found a new opportunity, which is a buying opportunity. The channel has been broken. Okay, so I'll close all these trades. Okay, I'll close all these trades. Good. Sorry, I want to close all. Good. So we have this, and I have a buying opportunity, but I slept off. The market moved away from me, so I will still wait to see if I can pick the pullback. Okay, that is what I will be doing. So let me wait and see if it pulls back. I will quickly sell this. I forgot. These days market is just moving away from me. I don't know why. I have to sell gold quickly to see how this is going to go. This zone has been broken. I told you earlier this zone may be broke, so this zone has been broken, so I'm selling gold right away. So that is it, yo guys. So we are still pushing up hard into profit, almost 4,000 right here. We are pushing up into profit, you can see it clearly. So we are still holding to see what happened. So this is the last trade, as I said, and we are in massive profit. You can see the drawdown. So I'm coming to come out from this trade before market close. Okay, so we'll continue the challenge on Monday. Okay, so see you guys on Monday. If you want to learn how to trade like this, let me know at the comment section. Goodbye, guys. Let me close. So we now have 4,201. All right, into Monday, which is next week. Goodbye.